Near Lake Bemidji, located downtown, since a quaint little sub shop that we call the Paul Bunyan Sub Shop. Welcome to this adorable sub shop. It features a handmade countertop, custom built just for this location, and tons of great local decor. Included in the sale are all of the fixtures and tables, and chairs, and decorations, everything that you need to run this business. You'll receive all of the equipment that you need to make all of these items on the fantastic menu, to include subs, soups, and sandwiches, and nachos, and plenty of other good tasting treats. If local cuisine is what you'd like to specialize in, it also comes with a fryer, which is great for making the local favorite fry bread tacos. There's plenty of opportunities for expanding your menu with this newer stove, flat top grill, oven. Comes complete with a hood vent and the sprinklers that you need to get the ball rolling. Paul Bunyan Sub Shop also does catering and delivery. If you've got a large catering order coming up, don't worry. We have a walk-in cooler ready for you. Included is also a freezer, double doors here, plenty of room. Also serve ice cream. We have Bear Creek watermelon sherbet here and Zanzibar chocolate. Slicing the meats fresh and getting them ready for your sandwiches for the day is no hard task with this lovely Unifex meat slicer. There's plenty of supplies to get you started and lots of storage spaces to keep them. I'm in the back room here just showing you a quick little glimpse. Lots of smallwares, small appliances, and equipment is ready for you. I mentioned to you the fry bread taco. Does that not look amazing? The big slicer in back sure will come handy when you're filling your prep table full of meat and cheeses for the day. Your customers, whether local or visitors, will love sitting inside the Paul Bunyan Sub Shop with a panoramic view of Lake Bemidji, close to Paul and Babe and the brand new playground. There's always lots of action going on down here at the waterfront. You may continue the lease in this current location. It's all set up and ready for you. Or if you choose to go to another location, it is definitely relocatable. With a mascot that is 18 feet tall, this sub shop has some big shoes to fill. It's been around for over 40 years in the Bemidji area, and Paul Bunyan Sub Shop welcomes a new owner. If you'd like to become part of Bemidji's booming downtown area and like to open up a piece of history that locals and visitors alike enjoy to visit, please call me 218-760-3116.